In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow loading email in Mozilla Thunderbird. Now I'm going to give you a few tips over here and you can just go and follow along. The first thing we're going to do is compact our folders. Now what you have to do is enter an inbox like that, and you want to press the Alt key on your keyboard, which is going to pop up this up tab over here, okay? Now if you click by mistake, it's going to get hidden, so press Alt again on your keyboard and it's going to open up like this. Now for the first step here, you want to go to the File menu top left, and you want to click on over here where it says Compact Folder. Now whenever you do this, that's the first way you could do it, okay? So whenever you do this, and if it's still not any better, you can go and try to run the troubleshoot mode. So what you want to do is go to Help over here, again press Alt, and then go to Help, and then here you have a troubleshoot mode. So just click on that, and then whenever you click on it, click on the Restart button over here, and whenever you do this, it's going to restart Thunderbird, and over here you can go and disable all add-ons and reset toolbars and controls if you want to. I'm just gonna go and basically disable all add-ons over here, and I'm gonna continue in troubleshoot mode. Now if you actually do this, and if your emails kind of load normally, this is going to mean that it means that basically your extensions or something like that, like add-ons, may be causing your lag and kind of your delay, okay? So that's also one way to actually keep in mind over here. Now if that still doesn't work, what you can do is go and clear the Thunderbird cache. To do this, you want to press Control, Shift, and then Delete on your keyboard, and it's going to pop this up, which is called Clear Recent History. Now what you want to do here, select the time range. I'm just actually going to go and let me actually sign in because it's requiring me to sign into my account over here, which is understandable. There we go. Apparently, oops, okay. Now you have to select your time range. I'm actually going to do everything over here, but of course you can do today or last few hours if that's been happening for the past few hours or something like that, okay? Let's do last 2 hours over here, and of course you can select what. The most important thing here is going to be cache, and of course if you don't check cache over here, then it's not going to do anything, so you can leave cache on and then uncheck these two if you wanna. It's up to you, and click on clear now, and that's going to clear your cache as well, okay? That's kind of all the ways you can do this inside the Thunderbird, but then what you can also try is something like disabling antivirus scanning for a few minutes and seeing if that makes it better. You could also go and kind of just like restart your computer and stuff like that, and sometimes that's going to help, but usually it's going to be the tips I just shared with you that are going to help you to basically regain the speed of loading emails in Mozilla Thunderbird. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.